Hi, this is a quick unboxing video of iPhone 15 Pro. Let's take a look at the box. So this is the new iPhone 15 Pro. Do a close-up. I think here it has the serial and the details. Let's look at the specification. So this one is iPhone 15 Pro with USB-C charge cable. Okay, let's go ahead and open the phone box. I think there's this thing on the back, and there's another one on the other side. Let me take that one off as well. Let me put this one on the carpet, and let's open the phone. Okay. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is in black colored, so I think the metal is titanium. Let's open this one up. This literally feels pretty matte finish on the phone. Let's put it on the side and let's see what's in the box as well. This is the new charging cable, USB-C Type-C cable, and then some pamphlets. It says, let's do a close-up, you no longer need a physical SIM. Apple sticker, set, and then some paperwork. Let's put it on the side. Overall, pretty basic. These are the things that came in the box, like one cable in the phone itself, alright, I think there you have it, iPhone 15 Pro. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for any future videos.